local transit ferry that took you from River Street over across the river to Hutchinson Island. The convention center is here, and also the Westin Hotel is right next to it. It looks like they have 2 ferries in rotation. They could have more on the weekends, I'm not sure, because this is a weekday. And it looks like they run every, I'm going to say 15-20 minutes, I think. So I took a few pictures. I'm going to wait for the next ferry to come through, and I'm going to jump back on board and head on back over to Broughton Street. Starting to get a little warm here. Hate to brag, but it is what it is. It's well over 70 degrees, I can tell you that right now. I'll probably be pushing 80 on November 20th, which is my birthday. So, for you snowbirds looking for a place that has a lot of culture, a lot of food, a lot of tours, come to Savannah. Okay guys, I'm at a place called Wet Willie's. It was on my to-do list. This is my last thing to do on my list before I get ready to head back home. Temperature's gone down quite a bit, but this is what is called a Call a Cab. Now, this is one of their signature drinks, and according to the menu, it has grain alcohol, cherry juice, and lemon juice, and some other good stuff. But anyway, it looks just like a regular slushie, right? No, they don't call it Call a Cab for nothing. But this is one of their signature drinks. I think they have like a dozen frozen drinks. So if there's a Wet Willie's in your city, please visit it. But anyway, this is going to wrap up my video. I might take a couple more pics. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for supporting the channel.